Welcome to PatentProtector.ai, a revolutionary AI-powered platform that turns your ideas into patents in minutes. To commence, click the Get Started button to sign up and begin creating your patent draft. Afterwards, click the Continue with Google button to begin setup with Google. Else, click the Create Account Manually button to begin setup without Google. Then, click the checkbox to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to complete your registration. To draft a patent, click Start a New Patent Draft button to begin creating your patent application. Now, enter your first invention details in the text field to begin the disclosure process. Following this, click the Send button to submit your invention description to the AI assistant. Following that, enter your second invention details in the text field to proceed. Enter your third invention details in the text field to continue. Click Generate Provisional Patent to create patent documentation for your invention. View and edit file. Invention draft can be enhanced using editing tools as required. Patent AI Assistant can be used to enhance or generate sentences. Click the Patentability button to analyze your patent draft for potential issues. Following this, click Analyze Patent Draft to get AI-powered insights on your patent's patentability. Review the overall score and patentability analysis on the panel. Scroll down to see more analysis. After preparing the document, click the Save Document button to store your patent draft. Click the File Patent Draft button to file your completed patent application. From here, enter the inventor's full details. Next up, click the Next button to proceed to the next step of your patent application. Following that, you can click Copy from Inventors to populate applicant details from existing inventor information, or else fill it up manually. Click the Next button to proceed to the final step of the application. From here, select a plan as required. Now click Proceed to Payment button to complete filing your patent application. Finally, after drafting and review, you can manage your application from the dashboard. For prior art search, click the Start Searching button to begin your prior art patent search. Enter your search terms in the patent database search field to find relevant prior art. Click View Full Details to access the complete patent information and specifications. Here is the details of the patent. Click the View Source button to access the original patent document source. To conclude, after filing patent, status is visible here.